getting into our word of the day. Okay, so now we're going into our word of the day. Our word of the day, we're going to look at the picture here. Okay, so our word of the day, it does have a glued sound. I'm going to tell you that. And the glued sound, remember, it has 3 letters already. They're glued together, but each sound has its own individual sound. Okay, so look at the picture. And what do you see? Well, we see a lady, she's hanging up clothes, she's smiling, probably just did laundry, right? Okay, so what are the socks doing? The socks. They're what? They're hanging up, right? They're hanging up. Why do you think they're hanging up? Maybe they're wet. Maybe they stink. I don't know. Maybe she just did laundry and they're still wet. She wants them to air dry, right? And we don't see a background, so we really don't know. But we see a lady hanging clothes up, right? She's hanging clothes up on a clothesline. Now, remember I said that our word of the day has a glued sound and that it has the glued sound does have 3 letters in it already. So our word of the day is the word hang. Hang. All right, we can say she went to hang up the wet clothes. Okay, so she went to hang up the wet clothes. So hang. Let's go and tap it out first. Ready? Hang. 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 Wonderful. Now we're going to spell it with our tile board here. Now our word was hang. Again, if we were to tap it out, we have ang. Hang. And here's our word. You would mark it by putting a box around the ang. So here we go. Let's go see the letter names of the whole word. H-A-N-G. Hang. Now, do we need to mark our word? Yes, we do. We do put a box around it. And what's our glued sound? Ang. Wonderful. And also, get your student notebook ready because on page 39, you're going to be writing this in your student notebook. Right, so we are putting that box around that glued sound, and our word was hang. Now, we're going to write in our student notebook. So, here's the picture to help us remember, and we're choosing to write about this picture, right? So here we go, on page 39 in your student notebook, find the letter H, and on that first set of lines, you are writing the word hang. Hang, hang. And I put a box around my A-N-G sound, the glued sound that's in the word. Now, for the bottom part, we are writing the sentence that helps us remember what the word means. Now, looking at the picture, we said she went to hang up the wet clothes. Maybe the clothes were wet. Okay, so we're going with that one. So here we go. You're writing this in your student notebook. You can pause the video if needed. The sentence is, she went to hang up the wet clothes. We're ending with a period. We're not asking a question. We're not saying it with excitement. But remember, sentence always begins with a capital letter at the beginning, and then we're ending with a punctuation. And we do use some of our trick words here. We have the, we have to, we have she, right? Now, you can finish this up when you're all done. You can close your book, and always remember that you have your student notebook there to help you spell. If you need to look back into your student notebook for trick words, vocabulary words, rules for the certain digraphs, and glued sounds that we've already covered. Wonderful. Now, to sum it all up, our learning plan for today, we did our new concept, which included learning about the A and G glued sounds. So, we learned about ang, ing, ong, ung, 4 of them. And we're going to be reviewing those every single day to help us remember it, just like we already know some of those letter keyword sounds. Now, we also went into our drill sounds and our warm-ups, including our new concept of the glued sounds. And then we ended with our word of the day, which was hang. That's right. So hang. Very good. Keep practicing, everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.